So, ang Davao City, nag-record ito ng 1.03 million tourists in the first 5 months of 2019. So, how are we coping with the sudden influx of visitors in the city?
Well, we prepare, Pastor. We prepared for the last 3 months of 2018. We prepared for the first 6 months of 2019 to ensure that when they come, there are hotel rooms, the food that they want is available, the fruits that they are looking for are available. So we prepare that in the last 3 months of last year para pagdating ng ating mga bisita, mga turista, nandyan yung mga hinahanap nila sa Davao City.
So itong more than 1 million tourists, Mayor, sa first 5 months, ngayon lang ba nangyari ito?
Yes, because also of our events. We hosted DAVRAA 2019, the Davao Regional Athletics Competition 2019. So this is a region-wide na mga bisita natin, athletes, coaches, parents, and visitors. And then we hosted the Palarong Pambansa, Pastor. For the second time since 1969, I think. Oo. So we hosted that. And then we hosted our second Ironman. So these are mga gi-prepare nato 2019 for big athletic events. So kana siya ito yung mga events na nagpalaki ng ating tourism arrivals.
Mayor, still on the celebration now, how are we preparing for the security also of the tourists and the people as well?
There is a usual coordination between the Philippine National Police, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and other offices and agencies involved in security. So they create a security plan. Depending on how big or how small is the event. So they create a security plan for the entire celebration of Kadayawan, and then they create smaller security plans for specific events. So if it's an outside event, nag-a-adjust sila. If it's an indoor event, nag-a-adjust sila. So we do that every year with our Kadayawan. Recently, our City Peace and Order Council met under our acting mayor, Baste Duterte. So they discussed the preparedness of the security sectors, and he was quite satisfied with their planning, and hopefully there will be a successful implementation sa mga security procedures and security plan that they have prepared for Davao City.
Mayor, before the start of the program, napag-usapan natin yung culture of security sa Davao City. Can you please elaborate more on that?
Yes. This is a very new concept, Pastor, introduced by Task Force Davao and the city government of Davao na there should be a culture of security in Davao City wherein ang Davaoenos should have security always in their mind. Kung meron silang makita na kaduda-duda, mag-report ka agad. Dapat makialam sila. Dapat magmasid. Oo. Kung meron silang alam na information na sa tingin nila is a threat to Davao City, they should report it. So hindi lang ang security sa AFP, hindi lang yung security binabantayan ng PNP, but lahat tayo dapat nagbabantay for our city. Ordinary citizens, street sweeper, jeepney drivers, taxi drivers, ato ang mga sidewalk vendors. Everybody should be involved in making sure that there is no untoward incident that will happen. So there was one writer from, I think he was from Ateneo, he said that security should be a lifestyle. You always have to put it there in your mind. Kasi iniisip kasi, madami kasing nagre-reklamo about security procedures. Hassle magpa-inspect ng bag, hassle pumila, bakit hindi na kami pwede magdala ng backpack, bakit hindi na kami pwede mag-jacket. But sabi nung writer, he understood na it has to be a lifestyle kasi, for example, if we allow backpacks, and backpack is a mode of transport ng bomb ng terrorists, usually. Meron silang gano'n na modus. So, if we allow that, and then merong nangyari na insidente, and then our loved one dies, our city is put in a bad light, yung mga gano'n, that we have to think beyond ourselves about security. Dapat we have to think na this is for the good of everyone in the city.
Yes.
So, yun yung sinisimulan namin na hopefully mapasok sa puso, mapasok sa isip ng mga tiga Davao na there should be a culture of security in Davao City. And not just Davao City, of course, all the areas of, especially Mindanao.